It means a lot to me to come back to Australia. Raced here 17 times. I've won here 3 times in F1 in Melbourne. Broke the lap record here in Bathurst. I drove a Formula 1 car. I think it was the first time. And it's the first time that the Type R Challenge has been outside of Europe. Type R Challenge is setting lap records for front-wheel drive road cars. I'm very, very excited about the challenge. Mount Panorama, Bathurst, the perfect venue. It's basically a playground for us today. It's a tough track to drive because there's a lot of blind crests, there's a lot of blind corners, a lot of places if you get it wrong it's going to hurt. But you put a racing driver in a car, he's going to push it hard. The Honda Civic Type R is a mega bit of kit. It's got over 300 horsepower. Just that hit you get when the turbo comes in, it's awesome. We're here to see what this car can do. I have a lap time that I want to achieve, which I'm not going to say, but I think this is going to be very, very quick.
Challenge car, you're clear to go. Circuit is green, 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 you are clear to go.
.39.8. 2:37.3. 2:35.2. Fastest lap. Well done.
Good to hear, good to hear. Sounds good to me.
Nice lap, well done, well done.
Yeah, I definitely put her through her paces. She's really quick and quick time. You really feel like you're part of the car. It's sporty, but you can use it every day. Something for everyone. I've driven a Formula 1 car around Bathurst. I drove a V8 supercar here, and we've just set up impressive lap time. Australia's been a pretty special place for me.